We just started playing RuneScape after 17 years. And I got this clue thing here. And I definitely didn't Google to figure out what it said, but it says Veronica. And it says I should go here, I think. Matter? I don't know how safe that is. I don't know if I'm gonna die again. But I just killed goblins for like 3 hours. Not 3 hours. It wasn't that long. But I just killed goblins for a long time and a bunch of chickens, and I made some chicken, and yeah, so we're gonna go up there and see what the deal is with this clue. But if you don't know how to finish it, now you do. And yeah, so do the speedy walk thing. We're almost there. Not that far. I'm using Rune Light, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Let's talk to her, see what happens. She says, well done. You found a new clue. And I unlocked new music, spooky. Apparently my sound isn't working right now. I don't know what the deal is with that, and hopefully I wasn't muted the whole time because I didn't check. But that's it. That's how you do that clue right there. And I think it's out of my inventory now, and then there'll be a new clue, so maybe we'll talk about that one next. And that's how you do that one.